Tonight on the Naughty Chicken Garage, we've got something special planned. We've got the biggest, baddest motocross bike ever made. And here it is. KTM 65. Bike won't run. We're gonna hopefully find out why. Stay tuned. 2011, so chicken just showed up. Finally.
Slacker.
About 8:30 at night on a Wednesday night.
So, with the small displacement bikes, what we're seeing is, as soon as you would essentially get on the power valve, midway up the RPM range, full load, the bikes will fall on their face, simulate shutting off. And whether it's due to the vacuum operated, like, so look at this, right? So if it's not getting the pressure to open up the power valve correctly,
Which is hooked onto that guy right here. So we're gonna look at the piston, but we got the pipe off. And this little bleeder valve right here, a hose connects to that and goes to the this little 65's power valve, which is basically run by air pressure. So when air is getting sucked in and sucked out of this, it's modulating the power valve inside the motor. And this little valve was completely clogged. So that may be why the bike is dying out, but we're gonna have a look at the piston as well. Right up in there.
can you see it?
Yep.
Small scuffing. You can see the ring. It's due for a rebuild at some point. So if it's not this, then we got to pull the motor.
Doesn't look bad though.
It doesn't look terrible, but you can see it's got some linear lines on it. So I assume the ring's got some wear on it.
Okay, we got it back together again, minus the seat because it didn't come with it, and we're hoping. Nice pivot turn.
I like that.
And if it stays running. A little soft for you, eh?
No other spot.
Well, sounds like it's working. Biggest, baddest, meanest MX bike ever made. Hope the brakes work. The brakes work? Sounds like it's still bogging out a little bit. Yeah. Still doing it, eh? Okay, so I'd take the carb out and have a look at that. Bike's still not working spot on.
It's getting on the power valve. It's just not. Feels like a fueling issue on top. It's running the bowl dry when you get on it. So
Check some jets.
yeah.
So the Pilot looked like it had some gunk in it.
I mean, the symptom was full load, right? Everything worked fine up top, and then it would fall on its face when you try to blip it on the way down. So this gives us something. It's a lot of dirt.
Carb back in, all cleaned up. Put the clamps on. Cleaned up the coil a little bit. One of the connectors on the coil is busted completely off, so we're going to zip tie that. You can't fix it. It needs to be welded. What else did we notice? Put a new hose line on.
Yeah, pilot was plugged.
Pilot was plugged. Yep, so go again. Sounds better. Sounds a lot better. That's it, eh? All right, a little better lighting conditions here the next day. That's it, idling along. Good to go.